Oh, focus, man. Catch your boy. Yeah, come on. Don't do me like that. Yeah. Yeah, my shit look rough right now, y'all, but my doggone wheels just came in. So we about to, I need me a cut. Yeah, shit I just got from work. Yeah, I'm about to go open the garage, bring them in the garage, and you know what I'm saying? Check them out right quick. So let me get y'all mounted up on this camera, and I guess y'all can check them out with me. Alright, y'all, so let's check these things out. First ever set of wheels. Gear Offroad 765B. Yeah, they said it was supposed to be here between 10:30 and, what was that time? Between 10:30 and 2:30, but they actually got here at like 10, so. Yeah, so with these I ordered the all black one, but they was on a national back order, so the guy George, he hit me up and let me know that the black ones with the mirror, with the milled I guess edges, were the only one that they had in stock for like the same price. So yeah, just told him that it'll be fine, cause I just want more wheels. Pretty good packaging too. Oh yeah. Damn, real good packaging. $22 by $12. Ooh, is that blue? Oh, I was about to say, I know they ain't sent me no fucking blue wheels. Oh man. Yeah, man. Man, these ain't bad at all. What y'all say about them? Damn. Yeah, that's tough. My first wheel, but my first like ever wheel, like on anything. Yeah, I'm feeling real good about these. The black ones probably would've, like the all black ones, probably would've looked better, but I'm not mad at these at all, man. Damn. Nice looking budget wheel. Yeah. I'm ready to put it, you know what I'm saying? I got them, you know what I'm saying? I got them 30 thumbs over there. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, damn. This feel fucking good, bro. Feel pretty doggone good, man. Excuse me. I know, I ain't been, you know what I'm saying, putting the videos up and stuff like that, but I just been, you know what I'm saying, working, trying to get everything together, man. But they know 40 autos and no KG1s, but there's some pretty decent, some pretty good looking wheels. And I'm excited, ready to get them put on. I was just telling my homeboy on the phone, cause I was just talking to him about these wheels. Like I was trying to hurry up and beat the delivery guy here so I can catch him, you know what I'm saying, dropping them off. But I think as soon as I turned in the neighborhood, I got the notification saying that the wheels were delivered. So I guess I missed them by like 2-3 minutes or whatever. But yeah, you got the wheels, y'all see the wheels. 765B Gear Offroad, gloss black with the milled trimming, milled letters. Give y'all one more look. That's the unboxing. That gloss black look real good. And y'all see the other 3 over there when I'll bring them in. But yeah, man.